This is Jay Harrod up at Fort Carson, Colorado Springs on this date, Thursday, July 30th, 2009, in the event that I should die suddenly and unexpectedly. I'm asking that an autopsy be done on me. I'm asking that the media please make sure this gets done. This is so that my wife, who's in the Army, who's stationed currently in Afghanistan, and my family back in Clinton, Louisiana, will know why or what I died of. I had surgery on June 17th on both my right knee and my right foot. 2 weeks later, the stitches were taken out of my right foot. I have 2 plates in it. 2 weeks after that, it was found that where I had the incision on my right foot had opened up. I've had 2 rounds of antibiotics for what is believed to be staph infection. I'm in a lot of pain. I have been suffering from nausea for some time, and just a week ago did they put me on some kind of prescription medicine to try to ease the nausea. But that medicine hasn't eased much. Because of my stomach, which it looks like it's bleeding from blood in my stool, I'm taking 300 milligrams of Zantac twice a day, which isn't helping hardly at all. I also have a blood clot in my lower right leg, so I'm on blood thinner. And the treatment has been slow in getting to the bottom of what's going on with me. My lower back has been in an extremely painful. It equals that of my right foot. I'm going to enclose a still of my right foot as it looks now. It's not a pretty sight. To be worse, it's on me. So I'm praying that CNN and whoever else might be watching this pays close attention and does something. Should I die, or I will grant CNN and any other media that wants it full access to my medical records here at Colorado Springs. I'm under the name of Jasper Harrod, but I always go by the name of Jay Harrod. Everyone knows that. Thank you very much for your time.